Hey everyone, it's Shakira. Welcome back to Glow Beauty Wellness here on YouTube. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a cucumber salad that you can snack on. This is going to be my healthy snack because I love to eat. And the fact of the matter is that we all need to have healthy snack options. So I'm starting with 2 of these very large cucumbers that I got from Sprouts today. And I am somebody that just thinks that this type of stuff is really pretty. And also, you know, heirloom tomato is really pretty. So we're going to be using the cucumbers, heirloom tomatoes, red onion, lime, this chili and lime seasoning, apple cider vinegar, and that's it. So cutting these up into bite-sized pieces. And just like little chunks. Move that to the side. I didn't do all 3 cucumbers just because I'm using a dish. I don't know how big, how much room, it will allow. So, cucumber number 1, because we have to remember we're also putting tomato and onion in this. So, already it's kind of full. So we may have to transfer this to another container. Same thing with this. None of this has to be perfect. This is going to satisfy your desire for something crunchy and salty. Only it'll be way healthier for you. So let's just see if we can do it all. It doesn't have to be perfect. Nobody cares. And I just feel like we are definitely going to need another container. So we're going to do this one. So we'll just make 2 batches. Okay, next let's do the onion. I love red onion. So good for you. I find I love to put these in salads and stuff like that instead of a yellow onion or whatever. So with these, I want thin slices. Once the salad kind of marinates overnight, these onions will soften and kind of become pickled, which is what we want. So I'm going to break this up evenly in between the containers. And let's go ahead and do our heirloom tomato. Just going to carve this part out. In addition to eating this as a snack, you could also, it could be a side dish. It could be a meal. Like you could put this in over top, or you could have it as a side salad, but you can add an avocado and then like quinoa, black beans, or you can eat it with chicken, fish, whatever your diet is like. You can do that. The noise in the background is the laundry room. Okay. Bam. Here we go. Next, we are going to start adding our seasoning, the chili lime. I'm going to do it heavy-handed, like so. Mix it up. I think that if you had tahini or whatever that stuff is called, you could use that as well. But I don't like that stuff. It does not taste good to me. So we're starting there. You want to roll your limes. That helps get the juice flowing. We're going to do 1 per container. And then squeeze it in. This one was juicy. A lot of times when I get lime, it's not always so juicy. The trick that I do when I go shopping for lemons and limes is just make sure the fruit is firm, but with a little give. That lets you know if you're gonna get a juicy lime. Next, cider vinegar, splash, splash. Something else that would be really good with this, cilantro would be really delicious on top of this. So now we're gonna mix. You want to coat everything. It's gonna be so good when I eat it. Oh my god. Matter of fact, let's try a piece. Yes. Wow. You could add avocado to this. You could really do whatever you want, obviously. I'm gonna add a little more. And then I'm also gonna add some cayenne pepper. If I can find it. Okay, the cayenne pepper is MIA right now, but I wish that you could smell this. This looks and tastes amazing. So I'm just gonna put, let me get a little more apple cider vinegar. Bam. So I am gonna put some cayenne pepper in here. If you like hot, you can go for it. I love hot. This is intended for me, but magically, sometimes when I make things for myself, my boys like magically want to try. So I'm gonna take a picture of this when I plate it and when I eat it. But I just wanted to film this really quickly so that you might try it. The summer months coming up, this will be a really cooling recipe if you don't add the cayenne pepper, but this will be a really cooling recipe for you to try. Thank you so much for watching.